Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. Just put a short video together today, just showing you how to reset the tyre pressure monitoring system light on this Volkswagen Caddy. Now this one's for this style dash with your two buttons on there, and it's got your stalk with your trip on there. So you just need to get the menu up just to be able to reset the light, that's all. So when it's running, the tyre pressure monitoring light's on this one there all the time. Now all you need to do is, if you're just starting with the ignition on stage 2 there, you can just see we've got the warning about the tyre. And if you just press the OK button just to clear all the messages, once you've cleared all the messages, press and hold the down on the trip there. Keep that depressed to get a new menu come up. Then you can release the button. Just use the button to scroll down to settings. Use the OK button on the bottom of the stalk. And once you're in settings, you can scroll down. You'll have an option for tyre pressure there, select tyre pressure, and then once you reset all your pressures, you can store it and just ask you to confirm it. And once you confirm it, then you can just simply exit the menu. We've got a few different options in there as well. If we just go back to the multifunction display, the next time when we start it up, you'll see that the monitoring light's gone out. So hope the video helped. If it did, give it a quick thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.